Hi, Dr.AshwinDobariya welcomes you to Programming in C video series. In this video, we will discuss a very unique topic, that is the comparison of learning human language and the learning of computer language. And the another topic we will discuss in this video, that is the concept of C character sets. So let's see the major topic of this video is here. The first topic is very unique topic, that here I will explain how we can start learning of any human being language. For example, if you want to start learning a English language, then how generally we are starting that. Similarly, English or Hindi or a Gujarati or Marathi, all are the human natural language, we can say. So in our childhood, how we have started to learn these things. And similarly, if you want to learn the computer programming language, then what is the similarity between these two? So that we'll discuss with the example. And then after, if we want to start learning of C language, then we should aware about the C character set. So these two topics we'll discuss in this video. First topic is the comparison of learning a human being language or human natural language and the computer programming language. Here we'll take one example. Suppose we want to learn a English language, and in computer suppose we want to learn the C language. Then how we can start it? Because like here, see, the C is also you want to learn from the beginning, and in your childhood, whenever you are in the like in a senior KG or junior KG or in a first standards, right, at that time, what is the first steps to learn the English language? Similarly, what is the first steps to learn the you can say the Hindi or Gujarati or Marathi or any other natural language, right? So here we will take one example. Suppose if you want to start learning of C language, which are the steps you have to follow? Similarly, if you want to start learning of C language, then which are the steps you want to follow? So in first steps, to learn the English language, first we learn the alphabet, or you can say the character of that language. So which are the character of English language? Capital A to Z and small a to Z. So first we'll learn the A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So first we are understanding the all alphabets, or you can say character of that particular language. Now the similarly in C language, which are the characters of the C language, you can say? So 0 to 9, then capital A to Z, small a to Z, special symbols like ampersand, percentage. So if you want to start learning of C language, then you should aware about all these characters of C language. Now say first steps is over. Once you know that what is A, what is B, what is Z, means if you know that the character of that language, after that the next steps of the learning is in English language, that is the spelling, right? So to learn the different types of words, or you can say spelling, those are formed with the help of these characters. So with the help of this character, after that we will learn the you can say spelling, right? So spelling is a combination of characters. So if you know the character, then and then you can easily form the spelling. You can easily learn the spelling or remember the spelling, like pen, school, book, like this. Similarly, if you know the characters of C language, then with the combination of all these characters, you can learn the next steps is the keywords. So in C language there are built-in words. We will discuss in detail about the keywords in upcoming video. So keywords and the variable name. So if you know all these characters of C language, then you can easily form the keywords and the variable names, like a roll number, x1, y1. So it is a combination of all these characters. Now in English, when you learn the spelling, after that when you combine the multiple spelling, then it becomes a sentence. So third steps is to start learning of sentence in C language. So how we can learn the sentence? With the help of different spelling, right? So sentence is a combination of, we can say, to make the sentence with the help of different spelling, right? So have a nice day. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 spellings are there. So second step we learn the spelling. Third steps, the combination of all the spelling will learn the sentence. if you know the keywords, variable names, after that you can easily write the statement of this programming language. So whenever we write the combination of all these keywords, variable name, then it becomes a sentence, right? So here sentence, or you can say statement of the C language. So first steps to know the characters, after second steps to know the keywords and variables, and once you know those keywords and variables, then you can easily write the statement in the C programs, right? One statement, second statement, and third statement. Now here in English language, when you combine a multiple sentence, then it becomes a paragraph, right? So here in the C language, when you combine the multiple sentence, multiple statement, you can say, then it becomes a program. So program is a set of instruction. Instruction means statement, right? So if we compare the C language, then first learn character, then spelling, then sentence. Similarly here again characters, keywords, variables, then statements, and the programs. And when in the fifth step, suppose if you combine multiple paragraphs, then it makes one book. So right, we can say that a book is a collection of different paragraphs. So similarly over here, we know that the one single program is a set of instruction. But when you want to develop a software, then software is a collection of different programs, and that is used for a specific purpose, right? So actually with the help of any programming language, we are developing a software. So to develop a software, at least you should aware about these 5 steps. So this is the overall comparison between how we can start learning of human language, and similarly how we can start learning of any programming language. Now if you want to learn the C language, then the next concept is the concept of C character. At least we should aware about the different characters for the C language, right? So with the help of these C characters, we can write the statement of C language code. So these are the major category of the C character set. First is letters and alphabets. You can say capital A to Z, small a to Z. Then digit and numbers are also a part of C characters. See, generally if we consider the human natural language like English, then English is having a character set like capital A to Z and 1 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Similarly in Hindi also there is a character ka, kha, ga like this, and number is there 1, 2, 3. Then in Gujarati language, suppose ka, kha, ga, this is the character set, and the number is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, right? So in C language, the character set is categorized in major 4 category. One is letters, so A to Z, alphabets, letters is one of the part of C character set. Then digits and number, so all digits starting from 0 to 9, it is also a character set. Then special symbols, you can say the ampersand, question mark, colon, percentage. So all these special marks are also used in C programs. And white space, you can say blank space or a new line character or carries written. So here this is a sample C program, and if you see that, then the sample C program is written with the help of the combination of all these character set. See here int, so it is a combination of letters. Then x1, it's a variable name, so it is a combination of alphabet and number. Then special symbols, here use ampersand, percentage. Then white space, you can say here you leave the space over here, /n is used for new line character. So in that way, if you want to write any C program code, then in the C program code actually we are writing these are the different character set. In upcoming video we will learn more details about this. Now the another concept after the character set is the C token. Now what do you mean by token in programming language, specifically in C language? So token is one type of a special symbol, or you can say the one word that is a combination of different character set. So here see, suppose int, so integer, it's one token. Printf, it's another token. Now x comma y, it's a variable name, so it's a token, right? So the concept of token is one type of a special symbols or a word that is combination of different character set. And these are the various type of tokens are available in C language. We will discuss in detail about all C category of token is keywords, that is a reserved words, or you can say it's a built-in words available in the C language, and there are 32 keywords available in C language. So all keywords are the example of token. So integer, float, brag. Another is, we can also mention a constant in our programs as per our requirement. What is constant? We'll discuss in detail in upcoming video. So in general, we can say constant means which value always fixed during the program execution, that is known as a constant. Then string means it's a group of characters, so each and every string is also considered as a token. Then identifiers and variable names, so whenever we give the name of any variables or name of any functions or array, that is known as identifier. So the identifier and variables are also a example of token. Then all operators are a special symbol, so all these special symbols are also a token. Then special symbols, the other so operators which always used to perform a specific operations, and another special symbols are used for a specific purpose, like ampersand indicates the address operators, and percentage used for identify, or you can say format specifier. Hash symbol is used for include header files, right, or you can say for preprocessor. So these are the various tokens. So simple definition of token is it's one kind of special symbols, or you can say the word or a spelling, right. It is a combination of different character sets. So this is the overall concept of the C tokens, and in upcoming video we'll discuss in detail about the C tokens with the various example. And in this video description part, I have also mentioned the link of other theory videos and practicals for your reference. So please friends, give your suggestion, feedbacks of these videos, and like this video, share with your friends, and also subscribe this video for getting the updates of upcoming videos. So thank you very much.